Every machine has a story.
Some are forgotten.
Some are broken.
But nothing stays rust forever.
Welcome to Rust to Gold.
Cinematic car and motorcycle restorations.
With satisfying workshop ASMR.
From corroded parts to pure shine.
Subscribe and watch the transformation.